Have you ever heard of controlling your iPhone with your voice? Well, that's what we're doing in today's video. Listen! So guys, in iOS 13, Apple released a new feature where basically you can control your iPhone with your voice in iOS 13. And I have iOS 13 beta on my iPhone SE, so let's test it out. Alright, so now we got screen capture on. Let's go ahead and test out voice control. Alright, so I think it's right. Alright, so first how we get there, we hop into settings, then we go to accessibilities, and you're just going to scroll down to voice control, and you turn that on. And just like that, you have voice control on. So you could customize your commands and stuff like that. So you could say what you want to say. But, so yeah, so let's start. Go back. Go back. Hey, it works. Go back. Go home. Yo, this works. What? Alright. Let's see if we can try and get it to take a picture. Open camera. Does it just not work? Alright. Swipe right. Swipe right. Swipe left. Alright, so I mean, I don't know about this. Oh, there we go. Swipe left. Alright, so I mean, it's kind of iffy. I'm gonna still beta, of course, but swipe left. Swipe left. Alright. Open YouTube. Yo, this is taking forever, man. What? Open YouTube. This is so slow. Oh my gosh. Alright. Try and get one of our videos playing. Search. Search. Some of the other command. Hold on. Let me. Oh my gosh, man. What? Why is this so slow? Go home. Yo, why does this not work? May. Go home. Clearly, I mean, does it work? I mean, yeah, this is a beta. I mean, it has some great potential for it. I think it's just a bit slow right now. I'm just trying to get it to load or to open an app and stuff like that, and it just takes forever to pay attention. I mean, to listen. So, sorry I got interrupted, guys. This is a doctor's appointment, and my mom just kind of had to come in. But yeah, that's my mom. All right, so back to what I was saying. So I mean, honestly, this has some great potential. it's still in beta mode, so I cannot say it's terrible, because of course they're gonna fix it, they're gonna make it better. That's what they have to do, you know. That's why this is a beta. So now everything's perfect. So as I said, it takes a while to register your voice. I've seen other videos people do it, and they do it like an instant, bro. But I mean, again, beta. I mean, this is some great. Honestly, I think this is great. This is something that Apple has been missing for a while. I mean, it looks pretty cool, I gotta say. That was one of the features that's like, yo, I kind of need to test that. But, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that like button, of course, as well, because you like my videos, right? And, of course, turn on those post notifications to see when my newest videos drop, so you guys can be the first ones to watch them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.